The Jamaican government says it expects to see more gains in the Kingston Western Police Division following a major investment recently. The number of Jamaica Eye monitoring systems island-wide has increased to 9 following the opening of the latest in Denham town this week. Details in this report.
The government continues to attribute the reduction in murders to investments in technology for the security forces. This was National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang at the official opening of the Denham Town Jamaica Eye Monitoring Centre on Thursday.
The investment down here is roughly $300 million. Technology is not cheap, but it's a program that we cannot afford not to afford. As we go through to bring the police into the 21st century and ensure we can maintain good order, public safety, and reduce the kind of violence we have to get the technology in place.
A similar centre was recently opened in Olympic Gardens in St. Andrew. Dr. Chang explained that it is a strategic move to increase visibility in areas plagued by crime and to restore public order.
It's a major upgrade of our national CCTV program, where 285 high-definition CCTV cameras are now fully installed and operational across Denham Town, Waltham, and downtown Kingston Business District. It's the area that the division covers, and we have seen significant reduction in major crimes and homicide. And we expect that with the fully operationalization of the CCTV cameras, you will go further.
Member of Parliament for West Kingston, Desmond McKenzie, has described the development as a game changer for the residents.
I think this will significantly improve the quality of policing. It will allow the residents to have more confidence in the work of the security forces. And this, for me, is one of the greatest achievements that we could ever have here in West Kingston.
With 9 operation centres now active and more on the way, the Ministry of National Security says the program is already showing results. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.